Go. Go. You're learning to finger food? Yeah, you have it in your fist, but you don't know how to put it in your mouth after. You have to open your fist. Oh. Oh. That's funny. And there's mess. That's not so bad. Well, we just broom the little pile here. I'm learning to. Oh, there's more. I just went on the floor. It's okay. It's okay. You'll learn. Don't worry. Don't get upset you pushed on the floor. Sweetie. Yeah, Papa is hiding in the back. I wonder why too. Here he is.
Here.
You want Papa to help you?
No. Pick it up and put some gum in your finger. Can you do that?
Yeah, you got it. Exactly. It's just your finger. And now you can eat it. It's on your hand. Eat it.
And you eat.
The wrong hand.
Use the other hand.
Oh, where did it go? It's okay.
Okay.
He gets upset when he wastes his food.
It's okay. Hopefully, here's another one. I'm going to try to pick it up.
Okay, I think we're done. You're sleepy.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait, have Mommy. Here's Mommy's gonna give you one. Want 'em? Your hand's in there. Take your hand out. Want it? Yeah, you're chewing.